Hello everyone, Olaoluwatobhiee here. Today I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. So what exactly does VLOOKUP do? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It allows you to search for a specific value in the first column of a table and then retrieve corresponding information from another column in that same table. Think of it like looking up a word in a dictionary. So let's say we want to find the price of the first product. We first type an equal sign and type VLOOKUP and type an opening bracket, and then we type the search key. The search key is what you are looking for in the table, like a product ID. So we type it, which is in A2. We type a comma and then we type the range. So our range is from A2 to D10, and when you're typing the range of your data, we separate the letters with a $sign, and then we add a column which is D10. We type a comma. Then the next thing, we type our index, which is the price 1, 2, 3. Then we type a comma and then we type first. So first, we put first, so VLOOKUP finds an exact match and not an approximate one. We close our brackets and press enter, and that's it. To apply to all rows, we drag the fill and do downwards. Let's say we want to find for stock quantity. We can copy the formula and we paste it here, and we can change the index number to index 4. And enter, and that's it. To apply to all rows, we can also drag the fill and do downwards. Thanks for watching. Follow for more software tips.